Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Flash notification are a useful feature that uses the camera flash to alert you to incoming calls, messages and other notifications. This can be particularly useful if you have difficulty hearing notifications or are in a busy environment. Let's get right into the steps. Open the setting app. Tap on the setting app on your iPhone. Next is to go to accessibility. Scroll down and select accessibility. In the accessibility menu, locate audio/visual. Under the hearing section, tap on audio/visual. The next step is to enable LED flash for alert. Toggle the switch next to the LED flash for alert to the on position. The switch will turn green. This is optional, but if you want to avoid flash for notifications while your iPhone is in silent mode, toggle the switch next to flash on silent to the on position as well. This will ensure the flash still activates even if the ringer is turned off. By following these steps, you will enable flash notifications on your iPhone, making sure you never miss an alert. Adjust the setting according to your preference to ensure they fit your notification needs. And that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.